From 13th November to 19th November 2023, Anti-Narcotics Force Pakistan seized 1,083 kg drugs, arrested 33 accused including 2 foreigners, Afghan and Tanzanian nationals, impounded 14 vehicles while conducting 40 counter-narcotics operations throughout the country. ANF Balochistan recovered 826 kg drugs in 6 operations. ANF KPK recovered 171 kg drugs in 10 operations while arrested 8 accused including 1 Afghan national in drug smuggling and impounded 5 vehicles. ANF Sindh recovered 36 kg drugs in 5 operations while arrested 3 accused in drug smuggling and impounded a vehicle. ANF Punjab recovered 35 kg drugs in 11 operations while arrested 13 accused persons, 1 Tanzanian national in drug smuggling and impounded 4 vehicles. ANF North recovered 15 kg drugs in 8 operations while arrested 9 accused in drug smuggling and impounded 4 vehicles and included 3,550 ecstasy tablets. All cases have been registered at respective ANF police station under CNS Act and further investigations are under process.